Hey there, are you looking to declutter your Visual Studio Code workspace? In this video, I'll show you how to hide specific files and folders, such as .git or any others, from the sidebar. This will make navigating your project much cleaner and more efficient. Let's get started. To start, we need to access the settings.json file in Visual Studio Code. Here's how you can do it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus P on Mac to open the command palette. Type Preferences, Open Settings, JSON and select it. This will open the settings.json file where we can customize our settings. Next, we're going to add the code that hides specific files or folders. In the settings.json file, add the following lines. This configuration hides the .git folder and the node_modules folder from the Explorer sidebar. If you also want to hide all files starting with underscore, simply add another entry to the same files.exclude section. Here's how it should look. The ***/ dot_** pattern hides all files that begin with underscore in any directory of your project. Once you've added these lines, save the file. Visual Studio Code will immediately apply the changes, and the specified files and folders will disappear from the Explorer sidebar. And that's it. You've now customized your Visual Studio Code workspace by hiding unwanted files and folders. This makes it much easier to focus on what's important in your project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.